We'll guide you through how to join a Google Meet. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you've got a business meeting, a job interview, or another to catch up with Google Meet, and you're wondering how you're going to be joining the meeting and then actually connecting and using your microphone and camera. We're going to guide you through what you need to know, so make sure this full guide and we'll guide you through what to do step by step. This is really convenient because it's often used nowadays, so it's a good idea to know how you can join meetings. So to go and get started, we are going to show some different ways as well. You may have gone and received an email. So check your inbox. If it was set up with Google Calendar, you would have gone and received an email which says this, an invitation. And what you can then do is you can go and scroll down. Here you're going to go and find the Join with Google Meet button. That's a really easy way to go and join a meeting. So you can press join with, or you can go and press the link here. Now, if you had an invite for it, it should go and appear in your calendar. So you can go to the top right and press Google Apps on Google, find calendar. When it loads, we can go and see we've got the call here. I can then click on it and we'll have the option Join with Google Meet. Alternatively, you may have just been emailed a simple email, not a full Google Calendar invite, just with the link. If that's the case as well, what you can do is go and click on it, or alternatively, you can copy it by selecting it first of all, right-clicking and pressing copy. And then what you can do is you can come straight to Google Meet. So you can go and search for Google Meet, then come to the site, meet.google.com. Here you can go and enter in the code or link, so we can go and right click and press paste. And what you can do is go and press join to the right. Then it'll go and bring you to this screen here. So in this case, we can go and see that it's in 9 minutes and no one else was there right now. What you can do is go and see a preview of what you're going to look like here and your microphone. So just beneath it, you can go and click microphone and you can choose the microphone you want to use. So it's got the correct one selected here. Then you want to go and choose the output. So at the moment it's using my speakers, but if you use headphones, make sure you go and select them there. You can test it at the bottom and you can do the same thing with the microphone as well. You can test it. And then over to the right, you can go and choose your webcam. So I haven't actually currently got this connected, so I should set this up for my meeting, but I can go and select the camera I'm going to be using and you can then go and see the preview here as well. And if you want to, you can go and turn these off here if you want to as well. And to the right, you can add background effects. So you can go and blur the background amongst other things as well. And then when you're ready, you can go over to the right here and you can go and press the Join Anyway button. Now, it's quite likely in most cases, a lot of meetings, you're going to have to be accepted into the meeting. This is quite common where if you haven't had a full Google Calendar invite, there'll then be an accept button. The host will need to go and accept you, so don't expect to be let straight into the meeting. So once you're in the meeting, I'll just go and run you through some brief controls so you know what to expect as well. At the bottom, you can go and mute or unmute your microphone and turn it on or off as you can see. You're going to notice off, it's got this red line through it, the same for the camera. When it's turned on, you'll go and see it's moving here and it's just white. And of course, you go and turn on your camera as well. You can actually go and change the camera here as well by pressing the arrow, choose it. Same thing applies to the microphone. You can press the arrow to the left of it and you can then choose the mic and the output as well. And then if you want to, you can go and start sharing your screen here at the bottom, which is really useful. And then you can also go and send a reaction. Turn on captions, so maybe you struggle with hearing or you just find it easier to go and read what somebody's saying, you can go and turn that on. It can actually go and keep you engaged as well and help you digest the information. You've also got the raise a hand tool. That is really useful, especially if you're in a big meeting. You don't want to go and interrupt someone's flow, but you've got a question. So you can go and press that there and they'll be able to go and see that you're trying to say something. And then you've got the 3 dots to the right, so you can go through here, adjust the view. That's really useful. You can go and choose how the meeting's going to look. I really like tiled when you've got a huge meeting. You can go and see everybody together, but you can choose your desired option there. And then you've also can make it full screen. I really like picture in picture. You can click that there, and then you can go to another tab and keep the call open, which is really cool. I'll bring the call back here though. And then you can go and change background effects again. So general options, and then at the bottom, you've got settings. So once again, you can go through your audio, video, general captions and reactions and change that to your liking. And that's it. When you're then finished with the call, you can go and press the leave call and you'll go and leave. But you can go and press rejoin and join back again if needed, as you can see. So that's it.